This is the puzzle that I put on my one of lives in the last week. The response to this puzzle was on average you can say it's around 50-50, or 50% people rightly answered the correct reply and the 50% could not identify the pattern in this puzzle. Now in this video I will show you what is the pattern. First you need to remember one thing, that these type of the puzzles are not pure mathematics. As you can see in this question, in this puzzle, that 2 plus 7 everybody knows it's equal to 9, but here I have written is as 27. 4 plus 4 is always equal to 8, but we declare it as a 24 here. So it's not pure mathematics, it's actually a puzzle. Some people call it IQ testing. So you need to identify the pattern. To solve these kinds of puzzles, the first step is to identify the pattern which is applied to all the data in the question. Now, in my opinion, this was a simple question. It has to be answered by all the people who joined my that live stream. I think that well crossed over 100,000 people. So let's identify the pattern in this question. Now look at the first equation. 2 plus 7 is equal to 27. From here it cannot be certain what is the pattern. We need to go to the second equation. You can see here 4 plus 4 is equal to 24. The intelligent people can identify the pattern from the second equation. I write it here for you. Look, 2 plus 7, this is written in the equation. 2 plus 7 is equal to 9. Now if you can identify that if we multiply 9 with 3, it is equal to 27. You can see here. Now let's try this pattern on the second equation. 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. If we multiply this 8 by 3, it comes to 24. I think this could be the pattern. Now let us go to the third equation, which is 5 plus 9. 5 plus 9 always equal to 14. Now if we multiply 14 by 3 again, it will eventually come out 42. So here is a pattern. You add up the two numbers, these two numbers, then multiply it by 3, you will get the answer. So now let's apply this to the last equation. 6 plus 0, you know it very well, is equal to 6. If we multiply it by 3, it will eventually come out 18. So this is the pattern. Actually we add up the numbers then multiply it by 3. Let's solve it in Excel. We put it equal sign before, and sorry, You can see here that it comes out to 27. Now come to the second equation. 4 plus 4 multiplied by 3, 24. Then 5 plus 9 multiplied by 3 equal to 42. 6 plus 0 multiplied by 3 is equal to 18. So that is the answer. 18 was the answer of this math puzzle. So that's it for this video. I will come up with the solution of some another puzzle which I have posted on my live and proved to be a difficult one for you people to figure out. Thank you very much.